Hello to them. Going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this, the Creatorz Wave 2 Lavalier microphone. This is a wireless, compatible with iPhone, Android devices, personal computer, and throne, ultra-light and compact lapel microphone. Mini microphone for mobile use. It's a phone microphone set for YouTube, for TikTok, and meeting, and so on. And of course, for interview and something else. The clear recordings makes it good. Other Lavalier microphones in this price range often have a tiny sound and a record noise. The Wave 2 microphones, on the other hand, has a powerful oral clear sound chip with an integrated noise reduction, so we can get a clear voice recording without noise or background noises. It's perfect for YouTube videos, for TikToks, for online meetings, for podcasts, and more. And it's easy and fast. That means plug and play. We plug the receiver into the mobile phone, for example. We turn on the microphone, and we're ready. The microphone automatically connects to the mobile phone in less than 3 seconds. We do not need any complicated apps, for example. We can start the recording with our camera app or with another recorded app of our choice on our device. And we have a stable connection. Like cheap wireless microphones on the market, they can lead to the disconnections, so that suddenly the audio tracks is gone for a few seconds. Unfortunately, we often only notice this after recording is done. With the Wave 2, we don't have to worry about that, because the 2.4 GHz wireless connection reliably holds up to a range of 20 meters. At a short distance, the connection even holds around the walls. And big compatibility. The Wave 2 microphone can be connected to the vast majority of devices. It is compatible with the iPhones, Apple iPhones, Generation X up to 15, 16, and so on, and Android phones like Samsung, Huawei, Xiaomi, Google Pixel, and so on. For iPhone phone X, Generation X until 14, using a Lightning connector, there's a Lightning adapter included. And thanks to the USB adapter, we can even use the microphone with a laptop or a personal computer. And we have 2 microphones in that set. That means 2 lavalier microphones are included in this completed set. So we can also record an interview and podcast in our single audio track. And if we are filming alone, we always have a spare microphone with us, in case that the battery runs out. About the battery. One battery charge lasts up to 6 hours, so we can get a total recording time of proud 12 hours. That's cool. And light and unobstructive. These lapel microphones are often large and heavy, but this year, interfere with the video recording. The Wave 2, on the other hand, is ultra light, only 8 grams, so we do not pull down at all. And with only 6 centimeters small enough that it is hardly noticeable in the videos, what is a good fact. But not only that, thanks to the 360 rotatable Omni clip, we can flexibly attach the microphone to any garment. And it's a German company. The products are developed in Germany and thoroughly tested. So this lavalier microphone here comes in a good shape to us. This is easy. We get it on the microphone, on our area where we need to record, or 1 or 2 people, 1 or 2 pads or something else. And then we get the receiver into the computer, into the smartphone, into what the source will be for recording, and then we switch on the device and can start after 3 seconds of pairing with an iPhone, with an Android phone, personal computer, laptop, or something else. Ultra light and compact lapel microphones here. These are mini microphones for mobile use. Thanks for watching. please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!